Welcome back to Productions. Today I'm going to tell you how to put files in a disk that is formatted into an NTFS formatted system. So I'll show you what I mean in a second. You go to Disk Utility, then take your hard disk and see NTFS, Windows NT File System. So in this case, we have to go to Google Chrome, then put iBoySoft, iBoySoft NTFS for Mac. So this actually makes your hard disk into a disk that we can put files in. It actually tells the PC that it is formatted into MacOS Journaled. So the PC believes it, and we can get full access and print files and take files from it. So the package is installing. Now we have to open that up, and this is fine. So yeah, guys, now we put continue, then put on MacOS HD and put your password. Okay, we'll install the needed installations. Now, it's finished. Now, installation was successful. Close. If you want, you can keep the trash, but for now, I'll just keep it in my PC. Okay, for now. Now we'll have to run that. Free trial, put free trial, and it should be changed by now. Yes, as you can see, it's put into a hard disk, and now we open it up. Open this up, put this file in, and put this file out. It's fine, keep both. So guys, this is a useful feature. There's a paid version for this app or so, but I'm not paying for this. I usually like free things. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye guys!